this is the Pritt stick that I just picked up from the Amazon team. I didn't realise it was going to be the big one. I thought it was going to be smaller than that. So this is much better value than I thought. It's your classic Pritt stick. You've got your twisty there. You've got your cat. You've got that classic Pritt stick smell. Lovely. I don't know what it is about it, but I really love. Also, new credentials I've never noticed before, which it says 97% natural and recyclable, which I've never noticed before. The reason why I wanted these, I had some really pretty little notes, things that I've got a little bit of a sticky on there, but I wanted to stick them right down. So I thought I'd grab some Pritt stick and may as well make use of them. So yeah, let's give it a little test. I mean, really, the Pritt stick is the classic glue. You can't really go wrong with it. We all know where we stand. We've all used it for years. We all know what to expect. But let's use some anyway. There we go. Yep, did the gluing exactly as I expected. Really good. Love that smell. Nice little twist up. It's going to last a really long time. Does what I want it to do. So yeah, great. Perfect for crafting and projects.